Racing just started. Oh, so discreet. Break quick, let us start. Red Heroine rushing upon the outside. Is a classy June. Dubai's Angel is running by the rail. The next on line is Jaden. Love Lolo, Chance and Dior, Capable, Wildstorm. The next on line is Magalang, Watulco, Amazon, Wildflower. Over is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have Capable coming from behind to take the lead. Then on the outside now is Red Heroine, 2 lengths. Watching in third is a classy June. Then next online is Dubai's Angel, Chance and Dior. Then on the inside, Wildstorm. Oh, so discreet comes next. Magalang is also there. Then next online now is Jaden, Love Lolo, Amazon, Watulco, Wildflower. Over now racing in less than a 4 turn. We have Red Heroine, Classy June. Now moving upon the outside, Capable. Also discreet. Magalang comes next. Watulco, Amazon, Dubai's Angel, Chance and Dior, Laden, Love Lolo, Wildstorm, Empire. Over as they swing for home. Classy June by about 2 lengths now, and in second is Red Heroine. Moving up now on the outside is Watulco. Last 75 meters, the curtain closer belongs to Classy June with Renz Obaldo. Second is Watulco, then comes Red Heroine. Close also discreet, Capable, and Magalang. Super
12 horse, Classy June.